This is the R82 Gazelle standing frame. It can be used either as a supine stander or a prone stander. Good feature about this stander is that it can have individual hip abduction up to 30 degrees. All you need to do is turn this lever and adjust the hip abduction to your desired degree. The other cool feature about this is that it's used with hydraulics, so with just the push of the pedal, you can adjust to the degree of tilt that you're wanting for your client. This comes in 3 sizes. We've got size 1, 2 and 3, and it comes with a large range of accessories such as laterals, headrests, tray, adjustable sandals. What I really like about this standing frame is how compact and simple it looks, but it provides all the supports that you need for your clients.